Hindi ko makalimutan. Tumawag yung isang commander namin. Sir, nandito na kami. We're in position. Dala niya yung mga mortar tube. We will fire 3 sighting rounds and we will fire for effect. Tinatanong ng father ko. Sabi niya, ilan ang magiging casualty? He called back, sir, alam niyo naman, pag sighting round, to whom it may concern yan. Nung sinabi sa kanya, abort, abort, abort. Inabort na kaagad yung operation. Sabi ko, Dad, paano yan? Sabi niya, I have spent my whole life defending Filipinos. I'm not about to kill them now.
At a palace news conference, his top general argued with him.
I understand you gave them orders to wait.
I told them to wait because
there are massing civilians near our troops, and we cannot keep on withdrawing. They asked us to withdraw yesterday. When I talked to Mr. Enrile, he said you talked to you, we withdraw a little.
My order is to disperse
We
the
cannot
crowd
withdraw all the time, Mr. President.
without shooting them. No, hold on. You disperse the crowd without shooting them.